At MI Windows and Doors, we equip each window with components to increase convenience and simplify operation. Our state-of-the-art constant force coil balance system with detent clip offers the ultimate in ease and operation, all while helping to prevent the sash from drifting. Convenience matters, but we also care about your security. That's why your window is equipped with multiple safety features, such as push-button vent latches that allow for ventilation while giving you added peace of mind. And our dual opposing locks and interlocking sash create a stronger, safer seal and reduce the likelihood for unwanted air infiltration. Now, everything is labeled, cleaned, and inspected before receiving the final sign-off. Through advanced engineering, high-tech manufacturing, quality craftsmanship, careful installation, and an industry-leading warranty, you can rest assured knowing you've made the right choice. Work with your authorized MI dealer to get started. To find out more about our windows, visit miwindows.com.